2019 Mercedes-Benz G550 Driver's Notes Review. Despite carrying on the same rugged, boxy styling with just a few subtle exterior changes, the Mercedes-Benz G-Class has undergone major updates both under the skin and inside the vehicle. It features a new, modern rack-and-pinion steering system, updated suspension and a 9-speed transmission in place of the old 7-gear unit. It's also longer, wider and lighter than the G-Wagen it replaces, improving comfort without bogging it down with more heft. The G550 we drove is powered by a bit-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8 providing 416 horsepower and 450 pound-feet of torque. It's still an exclusive vehicle, too, with a price tag starting at about $125,000. Options include $1,400 for adaptive suspension, $850 for a widescreen instrument cluster and $12,200 for the executive package. The latter adds Nappa leather upholstery, and new materials on the headliner, floor mats and more. Still a capable off-roader, the new G-Class fares better where it is actually going to be used, on mostly paved, public roads. You can actually wind it through corners without the constant fear of flipping over, and the steering is tighter and reasonably accurate. The ride quality is vastly improved, and the cabin is finally up to the quality of modern Mercedes products. More importantly, the interior is spacious and it's easy to find a comfortable driving position. But purists have no fear, the best parts of a G-Wagen are still here. The doors are still weighty and demand a good shove to get them to close. The door locks are some of the loudest things on earth, sliding into place with a noise like a cell door closing. Seriously, these startled me as I was pulling out of the parking lot at work. Only hardcore G-Wagen fans will be able to spot that this is the new model, and it still comes standard with 3 differential locks. It's nice that Mercedes managed to bring this Hulk into the 21st century without losing its 20th century charms.